Here's the program for squared numbers. If I press A, it'll give me a value, 11, and if I shake it, it will give me 11 squared, which is 121. When I press A again, it gives me a new number, 9. When I shake it, it gives me 81. And you can practice your squared numbers this way. So one of the extensions said to create a scoring system. So the scoring system that I've added into the multiplication table is when they play through, so 3 times 9 is 27. They can now tilt to the right and add 1 to their score. Every time they tilt, it will add 1. And if they tilt to the left, it will take away 1 from their score. And it will also go into the negatives. So if they're not doing very well, they can keep track of their score in the negatives. And to reset it and start over, they just press and hold A and B. Since A and B already have code in there to reassign those integers, they just have to wait till they see that 0 coming across multiple times. Then the scores reset, and then they could continue on with a new game from there. All right, here's the test with the sound effects in it. I don't have the version 2, and so I had to set up the alligator clips from a different kit and ground the wires. So we have them in the ground and the one for the output, and then they're connected onto my headphones, and I think you should be able to hear it through this stuff, so it should be okay. So I use the same code as the one from the scoring system, but now when it scores, when they tilt to the right and add 1 to the score, it'll make like a dinging sound, and then it will add 1 to the score. When they go to the left, it's like a wah-wah sound. And then it will take away 1 from the score. And when they want to restart the game, they hold both of them until they see the 0, and then it will play like an introduction song. And then once the song is done, then they're good to go and they can play their game. They've got 10 times 4, should be 40. We get it right. We add 1 to our score.